Alright, Patreon crew, we have the fireball coil hooked up, okay, and as you can see, we have it hooked up as the open circuit Nunez method, utilizing a modified Joule thief as instructed by Michael Morell. Now we have the start of channel A and end of channel B hooked up together with this alligator clamp, and that's not really going anywhere, just hooked up together. Then we have this yellow wire, which is the start of channel B, hooked up to the collector of our transistor, and then we have the end of channel A, the black wire, hooked up to the opposite end of our potentiometer with a resistor, a 1K ohm quarter-watt resistor in between. Now, Michael recommends a 2-watt resistor, which is what we will be upgrading to soon, but for now, this actually seems to work quite well. And as you can see, it doesn't matter that we have the spacing inaccurate, or it doesn't matter if we only have 22 wires instead of our full 24, as you'll see in a minute. We turn it on, and we still get resonance. Now, that a little bit, there we go. Now we're still able to power this 90-volt neon lamp with just 12 volts and 0.04 amps. This is actually absolutely incredible. This is significant in so many different ways. As you can see here on the oscilloscope, we are utilizing the 50-volt range, and it's almost at the top here. So we are getting, I'm assuming, around at least 40 volts, if not more. And I'm not sure what the current is. We will have to monitor that. We might actually be getting a little bit more voltage than what we see here. My oscilloscope might not be as accurate as I'd like it to be in this case. Either way, we are still able to power this 90-volt neon lamp with only 12 volts of power and 0.04 amps, which is absolutely incredible. You can hear it. It's actually humming. That's because it's in resonance. This is the same exact waveform Michael's getting, same exact waveform that Daniel Nunez got, and some of his research from his coil designs. And all I did is exactly what Michael did, and put this oscilloscope clamp right to the edge of the neon bulb. Our next test will be hooking up a larger load to the system, so you can see I kind of prepped a larger array of LED lights along with everything I can plug into. I got the pulse width modulator just to add some kind of load. I got this 12-volt stepper motor, which should provide a lot more of a load, as well as this 3 to 9 volt fan right here. So we're gonna hook up a little bit more to the system and see just how well it does. But look, this is still, it's not shining as bright as it needs to be. This is very, very dim, but it's just enough to show that it's doing something very unusual. And if I tune into this a little bit more, I might be able to get that to shine a little bit brighter. It's the potentiometer really that is our limitation here. It keeps on being finicky. It's very sensitive.
And in the depths of shattered halls, I wandered all alone, casting whispers, binding chains, demons of my own. Toxic deafening, down spread on my frail soul. I once spin my mirror, haunted by my role. But in the echoes of my cries, just still I emerge, guiding me to where my true results are. Now I rise from the shadows with wings of fire I ascend, free from the chains of sorrow, from this path of forever deepen. Shattered glass beneath my feet, scars I wear but dry. stormy nights has turned to dawn. I wear truth as my guide. Anxiety's dissolved in the sun's golden rays. See my destiny through time and space. The fears that once consumed me now they take. For in my heart a new world is proclaimed. Now I rise from the shadows with wings of fire and sand, free from the chains of sorrow. On this path I forever depend. With symmetry I found the power. Blessings granted by the eye.
So again, this is with the Fireball coil, and as we tune this in more, I'm sure we're going to get more resonance, more output. We might not be getting the 10 times output, but we're probably getting really close to it since we're able to light this neon lamp.
From the chains of sorrow, on this path I forever depend.